Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. This is Jaycee the Guzman. Welcome to EquiTalks episode number 27. Today is November 28th, Thursday. And in this episode, I'll be talking about Cemex Holdings Philippines, or let's call it CHP for short. The question that I'm going to answer is, should you buy now or wait for it to cross above the 10 SMA? Well, as always, let's take a look first at my brief technical analysis so that you will understand, so that you will get a crystal clear idea on how I arrived into my recommendation. Okay? It's important. It's important that you know what I know so that we all agree, knowing that you also understand what made me say those recommendations. So without further ado, here it is. CHP closed today November 28, Thursday at 2.32 per share. It went up by 0.43%. The total turnover value is a measly amount, worth 407,000 pesos only. Local traders are the subject of, they are the main drivers for today. Foreign investors registered a net foreign buying worth 16,000 pesos only. We can ignore that. It's not that significant. But they are net buyers year to date, by the way. The immediate support is spotted at 2.17 while resistance is at 2.8. My 10 SMACD combo is bearish, meaning to say the last price is below the 10-day simple moving average, and MACD is moving below the signal line. That makes a bearish what? 10 SMACD combo, of course. CHP's historical volatility score is at 42%, meaning to say it still has a low risk level. But mind you, having a low risk level doesn't make the stock an automatic buy. Okay? Know more about that on my online stock market course, or you can also call it online stock market seminar. But I call it the Evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. To know more about my overall strategy that is applicable whether you do short-term trading or long-term investing, go to our website at www.equilyst.com and then click the course menu. It's at the top, course menu. Okay? Let's proceed. For the trade and volume distribution part, the last price is lower than the VWAP of CHP, and that automatically makes CHP, or that automatically makes the momentum power indicator of CHP bearish. And what does that mean? For me, this means that the trend of the price might just continue moving toward the southward direction. In layman's terms, the price may continue to drop. It's more than likely to continue dropping. Okay? The true market sentiment for today is neutral. Week to date, it's neutral again. Month to date, it's worse. It's bearish. That does not help in pumping up the bullish stance of CHP. Meaning to say, the bears are in control. The bulls have a lot of work to do. Here's my recommendation. If you have CHP and with the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, I recommend that you reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. Do not average down, do not buy more shares of CHP. That's a silly thing that you can do. Okay? Don't. It doesn't make sense right now because the downtrend is still more than likely to continue. Why should you buy? Why would you buy when the likelihood of seeing it at the lower price? Why would you buy? Right? Doesn't make sense. Now, if you don't have CHP but you are planning to buy it, I suggest that you put that plan on the back burner. Don't buy, don't enter a new position as well. And if you are a subscriber of Equilyst Analytics, I strongly suggest that you post your request for our latest analysis in our private clients forum so we can guide you further. So we can tell you if we are already seeing confirmed buy signals or not yet. All right? So that we can tell you the best price range where you should enter a new position when there's a confirmed buy signal already. We are your personal or private mentors in the stock market if you are a subscriber, okay? Now, speaking of which, go to our website at www.equilyst.com and click on subscribe menu to know more details about our subscription service. All right? And don't forget to subscribe to our free newsletter so that you will receive an automated email every time we publish a free article on our EquiTalks database. So that's it for CHP in EquiTalks episode number 27. This is Jaycee de Guzman. Remember, be evergreen.